Nice little part. Hi everyone, sorry, signal. I just wanted to pause while I was here though. How beautiful is this? If you can hear the crying, that's Cheeky Boy, because he wants a stick throwing. Morning Liz. Morning everyone, so good to see you. Here he is again. That's so beautiful, that sound of that water. I'm really drawn to it today, sorry. Oh, you're welcome. I'm loving your crystals, by the way. Okay, sure, I hope I've said your name right. Beautiful that I'm seeing those crystals you're doing. Which way are you going? Do you want to go first? I'll hover. Don't you love that? And I love a morning walk. Come on, Ro. Good morning. It's good to see you. It's just so beautiful, that noise. I feel really reluctant to leave here at the moment. Romeo, go and find a stick. Go and find a stick. Thank you, Romeo. Oh. All right. Let's find a stick. Let's remember why I'm really here. I don't know where he's gone now. That way, clearly. Come on, Mummy. Okay, let's go and find some birds. He'll appear in a minute. Thank you, water. That was lovely. So just to remind you again, sorry, I know I say that I think in every recording that I've done this morning, we're going to do a mindfulness session at 10:30. Can you hear the birds now? Wow. Come on. There we go. Just love that. I don't know whether you caught that or not then. There was a rabbit just up there. You see it? Oh, here go my shins again. Romeo. I come and stand here in the woods a little bit deeper so you can hear the birds. And all we've got is spaniels and sticks. Yes, spaniels and sticks. Come on then. Don't you dare pick up that big stick and whack me again. Come on this way. Away from the big stick. Come on. No, I've already got bruises from the other day. Come on. Oh no. Here he goes again. This is how you do social distancing. He's got his stick. Got his stick. Nobody's to come anywhere near me or my mum while we are out. This is the distance we must all keep. It is, thank you, Rebecca. It's beautiful. I'm very lucky. Watch my legs, you. Not you, Rebecca. Romeo. Sorry. Come on. Come on. Leave that. I have to keep an eye on him now because I will get that at the back of my legs like I did the other day. Come on. Row. That's it. All the way through the mud. Come on. You don't need that one. Go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. No. No. Ow. No. Let's go. I know. You was all waiting. Good morning, Jackie. You were just all waiting for me to get on the back of the legs, weren't you? To be fair, wouldn't be the first time. Just trying not to heavy breathe as I come up these stairs. Steps even. Yay. Morning, Bev. He is choosing bigger sticks. I think it's called ignoring him. I can be a bit like that. Take attention to me now. Almost to the top now. I have to keep stopping so I stop the birds sing. They are, Rebecca, they're gorgeous. So magical, this park. Getting up to the top of the lane now. How beautiful is that at the bottom of that tree? Stunning. Just going to manoeuvre my way around other people. You can't see very many people actually, which is great. There we go. Here we are. How lovely is that? So I love that park. We don't go down there every day. Oh, thank you. You have a good day too. This is where we usually walk, actually. You'll have seen this on some of the photos that we've posted before now. There's always wonderful walks. Like I say, there's silver linings in some of this stuff that's going on. Oh, you're welcome, Liz. You're welcome. Someone mentioned yesterday that actually it helped them because they're not able to get out at the moment. So I thought, well, I'm out. I might as well record it. We are doing the mindfulness at 10:30 this morning. I'm really enjoying that. Really enjoying that. Oh, it's starting to rain a little bit now. I was going to say there's a sacrifice, me walking in the rain for you. Not really, Nick. Not really. Not at all. Oh, you can see those clouds, can't you? Do you know what though? It's lovely. It's lovely to feel it. Just being able to get out, look at that. Wow. How stunning is that? Life is still going on. I know sometimes we wonder and we worry. But it is still going on. Off he goes. There's a lake there in the middle. There's usually a couple of seagulls sat in that randomly, and he likes to chase them off. That's his morning job. It's just a nice temperature actually, she says, having a jumper and a big coat on. It is nice. I'm enjoying feeling the rain stops now, which is nice. After getting up those steps, I have to say I'm a little bit warm, so it's nice and cooling. Not quite as many birds in this area. This is more of a calmness. Can you believe this? Look at all this space. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I certainly feel like I've got my exercise in today. It's lovely to have brought you with me. I feel like I'm not on my own today, which is nice. Morning, Sophie. So we're going to go, I think we'll go across the field. That's what we'll do today. We'll go across the field. Come on through. Come on through. There he is. He's still waiting, bless him. I find this so relaxing, so calming. And you know what? I think I used to do this walk and just used to grumble on the way around, think I could do a walk. Whereas now, my goodness me, this is such an important part of my routine right now. It's amazing what all of a sudden I'm grateful for, which I probably wasn't before. You just take it for granted. There's lots of things I'm grateful for now. Oh, I'm sorry about that, Sophie. They are your little babies, aren't they? He's just quite happy running around. He'll sleep for most of the day now, which when you've got spaniels, as you well know, nice big walk. It's a beautiful tree, isn't it? I mean, look at that. It does, Sophie. It does put everything into perspective. Look at that. Again, things you just walk past every single day. Can you imagine if you had your camera, which I have? I know, because I've got a video right now. Just look at that. Good morning if you've just joined us. I just thought I'd do a bit of a live video as I'm walking. Romeo getting my exercise. People had mentioned that they're not able to get out at the moment, and they'd been really cheered up by seeing the outside world for a bit, so I thought I'd do a bit of a live today. I just have to make sure Romeo doesn't steal that dog's ball. Oh, this boy does embarrass me. I love him to pieces, but he does embarrass me. And again, I wish people wouldn't necessarily throw balls right in front of him. Well, that's just my thought. And here we go, a good 2 metres away from each other. Everyone's very respectful. Good morning. Come on, Romeo. Good boy for not pinching the ball. Come on, Romeo, it's not your ball. Oh dear God above. Romeo! Come on, cheeky. Oh, little shit. Oh no, you've not got the ball, that's fine. Have you heard me swearing? So sorry. That's how mindfulness goes quickly. He did that once. He read both of them out, him and Buddy. Now I can always get the ball back off Romeo actually, but Buddy, not a chance. Thank you, Sophie. Go and charge your battery, my lovely, in lots of different ways. It's good to have you here. Maybe join us at 10:30 if you can. Yes, so this is when people were out. There was scouts outside playing rounders. Guess who caught the ball? Guess who wouldn't give it back? Oh. Good morning, if you're still with me, thank you. If you just joined us, welcome. We're almost there now. Almost there. I hope you've enjoyed some of this. Thank you for all of the messages you've been sending them. It's really nice to know that you're enjoying this. Taking one of the cheeky boys out. The other one's at home with Papa. He's hurt his leg, so we thought it was best he rested. I'm very lucky where I live, very lucky. Again, things that you change as you get that little bit older. How lovely is that? Morning, Dee. Morning again, Mum. Beautiful. I do apologise, the signal kept going when I was out in the woods, but I'm quite impressed we got a signal, I'll be honest with you. How gorgeous. Can you hear the bird? No, it's now got someone else's ball. That's an added bonus. We're coming up into the main park now. It's done so gorgeous. You really do look after this park. Like I just said though, I don't want you all down here tomorrow morning while I'm walking. I love you all to bits, but I need my space. I always like to come nice and early. A bit later than normal actually today. Not usually been and done by this point. Whoa. I haven't seen anybody, or hardly anyone on the way back, and then we've got a few here. Well, we'll be going a different way. Look at that, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 people. I don't know if you can see that. No, it's me, Robin. Oh, Romeo's going after the ball. Excuse me 1 second. Romeo! Here he is. I'll just show you the park. How stunning. Look at those trees. When it comes to spring and the leaves come out, it's stunning. I'll show you another time how they're all... There used to be a big house here, and all the trees, you can tell, all formally lined up. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'll do that on a different day. A bit earlier, maybe. Because there's too many people. There's 4. In my world, that's 4 too many. Here we go. How beautiful have the birds been all the way around. He's been such a good boy as well, hasn't he? I don't think he stole anyone's ball this morning. That's what to show you this. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? How beautiful. It's where it has fallen over, but it's still blooming. That's something, a really nice metaphor in that, isn't there? Even though you are where you're not supposed to be, you can still bloom. And this is it. This is coming up to the end of our walk. Pretty sure you don't need to see me go and getting in my car. Thank you, all of you who's joined me on this and the other recordings. It has been so nice. I feel like you've all been with me, which is nice, and I'm hoping that I've brought a little bit of cheer and a smile maybe to anybody who's struggling to get out at the moment. I'm here at 10:30, not in the park.